Exploring idiomatic expressions. Hell's bells. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of idiomatic expressions, specifically the phrase, hell's bells. This expression is a colorful part of the English language, and understanding it will add some zing to your conversational skills. So, let's get started. Hell's bells is an idiomatic expression used to convey surprise, annoyance, or emphasis. It's similar to saying, "Oh my," or "wow," in response to something unexpected or irritating. This phrase adds a dramatic flair to a statement and is often used to express a strong emotional reaction. The origins of hell's bells are somewhat murky, but it's believed to date back to the early 19th century. It likely started as a way to swear without actually swearing, substituting a strong word with something less offensive. The bells part might refer to the bells traditionally associated with churches, which adds to the irony when combined with hell. You can use hell's bells when you're caught off guard or when something is surprisingly frustrating. For example, hell's bells, I forgot my keys again. Hell's bells, can you believe how much it rained today? While it's a fun expression, it's important to note that hell's bells should be used in casual situations. It might not be appropriate in formal settings or with people who might find it too informal or even offensive. That's a wrap on hell's bells. Remember, idioms add color to our language and can be fun to use once you know their meaning and appropriate context. I hope you found this exploration both informative and entertaining. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be using idioms like a native speaker. Until next time, happy learning!